Welcome to Technoland Expert. This HTML and CSS code creates a fully illustrated, animated scene of Rick Sanchez from Rick and Morty using only div elements, flexbox layout, pseudo-elements, gradients, shadows, and CSS animations, without relying on images, SVG, Canvas, or JavaScript, demonstrating advanced CSS art techniques. The document starts with standard metadata for character encoding and responsive scaling, while the CSS establishes utility layout classes like .row and column to simplify flexbox-based horizontal and vertical alignment throughout the scene. The main character container .Rick is positioned relative so that all of Rick's body parts, hair, head, body, arms, and legs, can be precisely layered and animated within it, with alignment rules pushing him toward the ground. Rick's iconic spiky blue hair is constructed using the .Rick hair element and its before and after pseudo-elements, which are rotated rectangles stacked at different angles to simulate sharp hair spikes, all positioned above the head using absolute positioning and viewport relative units for responsive scaling. The .Rick head forms the face as a rounded square with heavy box shadow for depth, and its before and after pseudo-elements act as ears with subtle borders to suggest outline definition. Facial features are meticulously built. The eyebrow is a long rounded bar animated with brow move to give subtle expressions. The eyes are large white circles with borders, inside which the pupils are represented by animated asterisk characters that move using the look-around keyframes to simulate eye tracking, while small curved lines beneath the eyes suggest eyelids or eye bags. The nose is a narrow, rotated border-only shape placed between the eyes to match Rick's exaggerated profile, and the mouth is a curved top border with side pseudo-elements that create cheek creases, reinforcing his signature smirk. The body section .Rick body contains arms and torso, with arms styled as narrow vertical rectangles ending in hands by and after, and the right arm animated using aim around so it rotates as if Rick is aiming his ray gun. The ray gun itself is built from nested divs and pseudo-elements, with borders, rounded corners, and a glowing radial gradient muzzle animated with pulse to simulate energy buildup. The torso uses layered elements to depict Rick's shirt and lab coat, where lab coat side elements hang down longer than the torso to give the illusion of a flowing coat, complete with shadows and borders for separation, while the opening reveals the shirt underneath. Below the torso, the .Rick belt creates a simple belt strip with a gold buckle using a before pseudo-element, followed by .Rick legs, which are split into two columns representing pants legs, socks, and shoes, with the shoes asymmetrically rotated to add perspective and realism. The environment is just as important as the character, with the .stars container forming a deep space sky using a dark background and an enormous box shadow list on a single pseudo-element to generate hundreds of star-like dots efficiently, all slowly rotating via the spin animation to create subtle cosmic motion. The ground at the bottom contrasts the sky with a purple-toned alien surface, rounded borders, highlights, and scattered glowing spots generated with shadows to imply terrain texture. Globally, viewport height, VH, units ensure the entire illustration scales proportionally with screen size, while Z-index layering carefully controls which parts appear in front or behind others, and all motion, eye movement, eyebrow shifts, arm aiming, star rotation, and ray gun pulsing is orchestrated with CSS keyframes to bring the static shapes to life, resulting in a complex, responsive, animated cartoon scene built entirely with declarative HTML and CSS.